I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on EZ mask reviews. This video will help you know whether the product I'm talking about is a legit one or a scam. If you have not ordered this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will be highly helpful for you as it will help you in deciding whether you should buy the product or not. Friends, if you have experienced any fraud with the product, watch this video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before that, let's find out some essential details on the product. Here you can see this is the picture of EZ mask. This mask is made up of high quality, affordable 3-ply and 4-ply mask, and it is a fast growing medical mask which has been manufactured by a medical mask manufacturer and brand for the customers' use. You can see it is a premium 3-ply and 4-ply mask which is a disposable face mask. This PP non-woven hydrophobic outer layer repels fluid. It is a melt blown filter layer, and it is a PP non-woven super soft inner layer also for the maximum comfort. So people who face problem while wearing mask, this is the best solution for them. They can go with this premium quality 3-ply disposable face mask. But guys, before you buy any product which is related to your health and safety, you need to be highly cautious. For this, we have done a thorough research on this product and I will come up with a genuine feedback. But before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Well, moving further, here you can see you can buy this mask in a 50 pieces of quantity. It's a SSMMS melt blown 3-ply disposable face mask which comes in a pack of 50 and available at a very discounted price, which you can here see only rupees 399. The price of the product is highly genuine. Now, EZ mask brings to you high quality premium 3-ply disposable mask which is having 99.5% bacterial filtration. This mask has a 3-layer construction that allows maximum comfort and breathability. If I talk about the mask specification, the first layer is 20 GSM PP non-woven, the second layer is 25 GSM MMS melt blown filter layer, and the third layer is 20 GSM PP non-woven again, which is acting as an inner shield of your mask. It comes with a nose pin and ultrasonic ear loop. Now, why you should prefer this mask over other masks? There are several reasons. The very first reason is that it has 99.5% bacterial filtration. It has a medical grade certified. It comes with an adjustable nose wire. It has a single cover per mask. It has a lot of certifications as it is certified and compliant to ISO 9001 standards also. It has an elastic ear loops. It is made up of material which is very soft, non-woven. Here you can see the whole complete picture with the labeling of the mask which states how the outer layer, middle layer and the inner layer is made. Moving further and talking about the social media presence and customer reviews, well guys, this mask is gaining a lot of popularity, and this is the reason why many people have ordered this product. I found 68% of positive customer reviews on the product and 4.4 overall rating has been given to the mask. Yes, people who have bought this product has really seen the difference between any normal mask and this medical mask. So guys, if you want full protection for yourself and your family, you can give this mask a trial. It is available at a very cheap rate, though you will find some alternatives, but this is a good choice because customers have already given this website a thumbs up which is selling this product. You will find EZ mask sold on many other websites as well, so you can buy this product for sure. Well guys, this is a recommended product. I hope you have found this information useful. Well, now you are looking for the money back option. It's simple. All you have to do is view the link which we have provided in our description box. Make sure you don't forget to comment your thoughts on this video, like this video, subscribe our channel. Be safe, be informed friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.